Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster who wanted to clean up this image. And by clean up, she meant was to clean up this middle part here, these smudges right here, and possibly this up here. So what I'm going to do is use the clone stamp tool, because this is such a diverse image that we want to grab something similar to it. It'd be hard to create it from scratch. So we're going to go over here to the stamp tool, and we're going to go over here and pick a section. What happens is the clone tool will copy whatever section you pick. So if I pick a section too close to this blue over here, I'll hold the Alt down and pick this. Then when I come back here, and I'm going to do it in the red so you can see, and then start scrolling down, you see the blue? It's copying that blue from that eye. So that's not what we want to do. I'm going to hold down the Alt and grab a section over here, because from here going down is the right color that we want. So I'll click it there, I'll let go. My size is at 100 points, and now I'm going to do this on a new layer so that I can show you the image separately. I'm going to start up here and start cloning down, and you can see it's starting to copy. Now you can't do it too many times over because it's going to start to pick up. If I move to the left, see it starts to pick up the blue from this eye. So I can hold the Alt down and re-click back where I wanted to start again, right there. And then we can come over here and start from here, and then we can go straight down like this. And you see it creates a pretty good copy of the image. And now we got a spot over here, but since we already fixed this, we can actually grab with the Alt this section here and use that in our fix. Just like that. Now I overlapped the image here and up here purposely so that I can cut that out, because remember, this is our fix. This is what's separate. Now we can come back and grab that, grab a square, and go along the edge of the frame there and hit delete, and that cleans it up. We can do the same thing down here. Bring up a square to the edge of the image and hit delete. That sharpened up the image there. And lastly, we'll come over here and fix this up here. We're going to do the same thing and pick the clone tool again. I'm going to hold the Alt and pick this area. I can come up here and clone that straight down. Now we're going to fix this up here. So I'll hold the Alt down and I'm going to grab this right here and come back and look at this. It fixes it like it's nothing. And then grab this down here, right around here, and then I can clone this. And that's pretty much it. All we have to do now is take our images here. I can merge them down, and save this any way we want. That's all there is for this tutorial. This is Rich, calling it quits, saying over and out.